One day, a Bedouin entered the Prophet's mosque and began urinating in one corner. The companions rushed to stop him, but the Prophet Muhammad said, "Leave him, do not interrupt him." When the man finished, the Prophet called him gently and explained, "Mosques are not for this purpose. They are for prayer, remembrance of Allah, and recitation of the Quran." Then the Prophet ordered a bucket of water to be poured over the spot. The Bedouin, touched by the Prophet's kindness, raised his hands and prayed, "O Allah, have mercy on me and Muhammad and on no one else." The Prophet always smiled and said, "You have restricted something vast." This story shows us the Prophet's unmatched mercy, wisdom, and patience. Source: Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith 6128. Subscribe then, like then, share.